In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a signature using Dropbox Sign. This easy-to-follow guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can request signatures efficiently and seamlessly. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another, it doesn't matter. This method works with all of them. In the search bar, type in Dropbox Sign and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of search results, and you'll want to click on the official Dropbox Sign link to take you to their homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account, which is a straightforward process involving your email and a secure password of your choosing. After you've logged in, you'll be ready to start signing documents. Here's where the magic really begins. Look for the Sign Documents option on the interface. Once you locate it, click on it, and you'll be prompted to upload the document that you want to have signed. This is done by selecting the file from your computer or by dragging and dropping it into the designated area. Alternatively, if you have already uploaded documents to your Dropbox, you can navigate to your Documents section. Find the document that needs signatures and select the Edit option beside it. This option is especially handy if you're managing multiple documents and need to keep things organized within your Dropbox. Now that your document is ready, the next task is specifying who needs to sign it. Enter their names and email addresses into the provided fields. Double-check their details to avoid any errors, as this is crucial for them to receive the signing request. With your signers entered, you'll have access to the document itself. This is where you can incorporate fields for the date, full name, and signature where needed. Just click on the document to place these fields in the appropriate spots, ensuring everything's aligned and all signers have ample space to provide their signatures. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click on the Next button. After doing this, you'll be prompted to review the email message that will accompany the document. This email is what signers will see, so you might want to personalize it or provide instructions or context for the signing process. Finally, when all is set, the last step is to send the document for signature. Simply click on Send for Signature, and your document along with your customized email will be sent out to the intended recipients. You'll receive notifications when it's been viewed and when it's been signed, so you're always in the loop. And there you have it, a straightforward process to request signatures using Dropbox Sign. Thank you for watching, and happy document sending.